Hi, Cable Cubs. It's Mrs. Kerrigan again, and today we're going to continue reviewing our language arts skills. So before we get started, let's review our Cub. The goals for today's lesson are that you will know the names of lowercase letters of the alphabet. You will understand how to orally blend sounds to form single-syllable words like ig, pig, and you will be able to answer questions about character setting and main events from the story Fast Fred. So before we get started, let's warm up. I will say sounds for you to blend into words, and remember, we're going to use our fingers to help us. T, a, p, tap. M, a, p, map. K, a, p, cap. K, o, a, p, clap. K, o, a, s, p, clasp. Great job. Let's try some more. A, n, rain. W, I, n, d, wind. St, or, storm. K, o, ow, d, z, clouds. Th, n, d, thunder. The last 5 words belong in the same category. Can you tell me what the last 5 words had in common? We had rain, wind, storm, clouds, thunder. That's right. Those are all words that deal with weather. Now we will review our letter sounds and names. So when you see a letter on the screen, you will first tell me the sound that that letter makes and then the name of the letter. Let's see if you can get them before I tell you. M, N, N, T, D, D, K, C, K, K, G, G, F, V, S, Z, Z, P, B, B, W, W, J, J, Y, Y, X, X, O, L, R, H, I, E, A, U, O. Before we read our story today, let's review some vocabulary words. Let's sound out this word. G, O, P, S. Gulps. To gulp means to swallow in a hurried or greedy fashion. For example, I gulped down my water after running. Now let's sound out this word. P-A-O. Pal. A pal is a friend. For example, my pal shares his toys with me. We will read a story about Kit's pal, Fred. Pay special attention to the story so you can tell me what Fred is doing. First, let's read the title of our story. Fast Fred. Kit's pal Fred gulps his milk. Fast Fred gulps and gulps. Fred gets milk on his desk. Fred gets milk on his pants. Fred gets milk on Kit. Kit gets mad at Fred. Stop it, Fred. Let's look at the last sentence of the story. It is enclosed in quotation marks. Say quotation marks with me. Quotation marks. Quotation marks are used to indicate a person's words. In this case, the quotation marks indicate Kit is saying, "Stop it, Fred." This is a comma. A comma signals the person reading to pause briefly. This is an exclamation point. It's another punctuation mark, like a period. Say exclamation point with me. Exclamation point. An exclamation point indicates something is being shouted because the speaker is very excited. Now, let's reread the story. We will look for quotation marks, commas, and exclamation points. Fast Fred. Kit's pal, Fred, gulps his milk. Fast Fred gulps and gulps. Fred gets milk on his desk. Fred gets milk on his pants. Does this page have any quotation marks? No, it doesn't. Does this page have any commas? No. Does this page have any exclamation points? No, that's right. What does each sentence on this page end with? That's right, they all end in periods. Fred gets milk on Kit. Kit gets mad at Fred. Stop it, Fred. Let's find the quotation marks on the page. Can you find them? That's right. They're right here. Can you find the comma? That's right. It's right here. And what about the exclamation point? Right at the end of our sentence. Now let's think about the story and answer some questions. Who is Kit's pal? That's right. He's right there on the cover of the story. Kit's pal is Fred. What does Fred gulp? Do you remember? That's right. Fred gulps his milk. Why does Kit get mad at Fred? Do you remember why? Yes, Fred gets milk on Kit. What does Kit say to Fred? At the end of the story, Kit says, "Stop it, Fred." Who are the main characters of the story? You got it. It's Kit and Fred. What is the setting of the story? Remember, we can look at the illustrations. We can see here that Kit and Fred are at a table. So, where are tables? That's right. Tables are usually inside. So, the setting is inside at a table. Great job reading with me today, friends. See you next time.